Got a great question in yesterday. Hey, Professor Chris, my kids love making homemade salsa. Does this have the potential to fit into that $10,000 architecture you always talk about for kids? Well, it sure does. And the best part is that it can get there a number of different ways. But the trick to helping kids start and grow businesses is always cash flow. Not only because it keeps them motivated, but also because consistent positive cash flow requires them to not overcomplicate something that should stay so fundamentally simple. So here's what I mean since we're talking about salsa. When we first moved out to California from New Jersey, one of the strangest changes for me was the flip from pizza being the staple food to tacos. At first, not only didn't I understand it, but I resisted it with every fiber of my being. I mean, pizza versus tacos, come on. Pizza wins every single time. One night at one of the kids' flag football games, the only available food was from a classically beat up taco truck. And that's when I realized my perception was completely off. Those deliciously meaty and flavorful treats were as far from the Taco Tuesday ground beef and lettuce version as can be. Homemade, simple, and faster than fast, I watched that family-owned mobile enterprise feed about 1,000 people in just a few hours. And then I did the math. One taco was $4, but the average order was 10 tacos because everyone there needed to feed their family, their team, or whatever. So 200 families multiplied by an average of $40 equals $8,000. And sure, there's overhead and other associated costs, but a family food business grossing 8K in under 3 hours, that's pretty gosh darn good if you ask me. Success based on the only two components businesses need, both literally and figuratively: a good product and a hungry crowd. So jumping back to the kids' salsa business, who is hungry for that much salsa? Is it individuals? Maybe restaurants? Maybe stores? Or since salsa is only a condiment, what else might salsa lovers want to buy? There's just so many ways to expand or grow even the most simple kid business into that six-figure realm that is mind-boggling, but it has to start and run right.